Everybody likes to eat nutritious and delicious foods, but they still like to have their old favourites like deep fried chips, but know that it's really not that healthy. Well, Tefal have come up with a product that can help you eat the foods that you like, but without that fat content. And it is the Actifry 2-in-1. It really is a very, very versatile unit. And anything that you cook in it takes no longer than 45 minutes and you've got a complete meal. It's something that you can set and forget, walk away and enjoy and come back when it beeps and tells you that it's ready. Very easy to use. It comes with a top layer, and with this you'll find it's great for cooking your steaks and your chops, etc. and things like that. You can also make dishes such as casseroles and pasta, and you can even make scrambled eggs. It's a non-stick bowl. It's got really nice ridges there that the meat is going to sit on and really cook perfectly. And in the bottom, this is where you can put your chips, and that's what we're making today, steak and chips with only 1 tablespoon of oil. And that means in the end, it's only a 3% fat content versus 16% if you did deep fry these chips. So first of all, what we're going to do is pop in the potatoes. As you can see, fresh is best. We've even left the skins on. Now the capacity is around 1.2 kilos, so it's a really good size for a family. Now the next thing we're going to pop on is the oil. It's only 1 tablespoon of oil, and this little spoon also comes with the unit. You can use any oil that you wish, and that goes over the top of the potatoes. The lid goes down. In total, this meal is going to take 40 minutes, and that's what we're going to program it on. But we're also going to set the 2-in-1 function on meat. With about 8 minutes to go, we're going to set the 2-in-1 function so that the machine will beep and let us know when it's time to put our steak in, so it's at a lovely medium to well done texture. So let's do that. You will find that it goes up in 1-minute increments. Quick and easy to do, doesn't take that long. And then the next thing that we do is press the 2-in-1 button function, and we're going to set that for 8 minutes. And then press start, and the machine will start. That's the sound that the unit makes when it's time for us to put the rest of the meal, our meat, in. So what we do is we open up the lid, pop in the pan with the steaks on, put the lid down again and press start again. And we come back in 8 minutes and we'll have a lovely steak and chips. The Actifry 2-in-1 has just beeped to tell me that my meal is complete. Let's have a look. Smells good, looks fantastic. Just perfect, just the way that I like it. Nice and moist. And the chips, nice and brown and crisp. Healthy with the skins on. Just have to have a taste. A little bit hot though. They're really good. And that's not all you can cook in the Actifry 2-in-1. We have here some salmon and pasta, veal and tomato, and these recipes and many more can be found in the Actifry 2-in-1 cookbook.